Alright, what's up guys? My name is Ben, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a style breakdown on Travis Scott. I had the idea to film this video because I knew he was performing at Osheaga on Friday, but not only that, he also has an album coming out called Astroworld, which is also being released on Friday, August 3rd. Also, I might make this into a series, so if you guys do enjoy the video, drop a like and comment down below, and I will be sure to make more videos like this in the future. But without further ado, let's hop into it. Travis Scott is easily developed into one of the most well-known hip-hop artists of today's generation. With that being said, I also think Travis Scott has a very strong passion for fashion. He has numerous both clothing and sneaker collaborations, and he gives off a very street style aesthetic. Travis Scott has been seen to wear a lot of hype pieces and also designer pieces, but I myself can say that I really like the way he dresses and his overall fashion sense, and that's one of the main reasons why I decided to do this video in the first place. Alright, so I'm gonna break down 5 of Travis Scott's most recent outfits and just give you guys a sense of how his style is, what he wears, and his overall style breakdown. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually react to a video called Travis Scott Astroworld Trailer. So I've actually already seen this video, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the outfits that he's wearing in the video, because this video only came out 2 days ago. So I'm gonna look at those outfits in the video, break down his style, and yeah, so let's get straight to the video. So as you can see, he's kind of wearing like a long drapey extended length overcoat, and it just looks like to be a clean pair of white and blue Jordan 1s, and it looks like a skinny pair of black denim. Overall, looks like a pretty good outfit. I just want to point out that I really like the style and kind of the colors of the overcoat. I think it goes and really matches the overall outfit. I would say putting the outfit together again, it shows that kind of streeter aesthetic. Jordan 1s put together really nicely with the skinny black denim, the nice white graphic t-shirt, and then the overcoat. I think it's a very stylish outfit and it flows together really nicely. I think it's simple and clean, so I'm gonna give this outfit overall an 8 out of 10, which is pretty good. Alright, right away looking at this outfit, this is the second outfit of this video, and it looks like he's wearing a patchy style denim with multiple patches of multiple different colors, and he's also wearing this long sleeve mixed blue acid washed looking crew neck. I think it's pretty clean, the colors go together pretty well. I like the fit of it, I like the way it looks. He's also wearing a watch and some rings. The diamond rings, diamond watch, I think really staple to the outfit, makes it stand out that much more. The shoes that he's wearing are actually his own personal collaboration with Jordan, and those are the Travis Scott Jordan 4 Cactus Jack. So this is actually the blue colorway, which I believe is the only one that is out at the moment. But overall, really nice sneaker. I really like the silhouette of it, I like the simplicity, and I'm a huge fan of the sneaker itself. So overall, I would say the blue on blue on blue is not ideal for me. Although it is a monochromatic look, it's not put together in the way that I would prefer. He's wearing a baggy, less tapered pair of jeans, which even though it's not my favorite, I can exclude that, and still I'm not really a fan of how the outfit flows together overall. I just don't like the patches on his jeans. Maybe I'm being a little bit nitpicky, but I'm not a fan of the patches on his jeans, and just his top piece with the jeans. I don't think the colors go together that well. The offset blues, and then he paired them with another blue sneaker, another different blue. I just think it would look better if he changed one of his pieces to a different color. For this outfit, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10, which is decent, but it could be better. Alright, moving on, I'm actually gonna look at this website called LookLive. The great thing about this website is it actually takes your favorite celebrities and it breaks down their fashion piece by piece. So for those of you that don't understand, I'm gonna give you an example because we're gonna do it with Travis's. I'm gonna go to Travis Scott, and actually we're gonna take his most recent outfit here, a week ago, and look at that. We're gonna break it down, take a look at what the website has to offer. Another thing that I love about this website is that they have what they're actually wearing, and then they have a similar cheaper alternative. So it provides that cheaper option if you're not looking to maybe break the bank, if you don't have that kind of money. For this outfit, we're actually looking at a Astroworld hat, which is part of his fan merchandise, and he's also wearing an Astroworld shirt to match the Astroworld hat, which is also a piece of merchandise that I guess he's coming out with soon. As for the denim, it doesn't show, but it just looks like a pair of raw classic navy pair of denim. And he finished off the outfit with another pair of Jordan Retro 4 Cactus Jacks. So this is another Jordan 4 shoe, and I don't think it's come out yet. This is actually the purple colorway. So the blue colorway, like I said before, has come out, but I don't think the purple colorway has yet. And as you can see, this website is offering similar cheaper alternative. There's a Champion hat, there's a Urban Outfitters World t-shirt. They finish off the outfit with a pair of Nike Air Forces, I think they're mid tops in purple. So it kind of gives you the look of Travis Scott, but you're getting it obviously for a cheaper price point. Overall, I really like this outfit. Normally when people are wearing most of their merchandise, the outfit doesn't look very good. I think in this case, the Astroworld hat matches the Astroworld shirt, so it looks really good. And he complemented that with the purple Cactus Jacks. I think the outfit was put together very well. I'm actually a huge fan of those sneakers, so I might have to try to cop a pair myself when they come out. I think the fact that he put a nice, just classic raw pair of denim with those shoes makes them stand out that much more. And the white t-shirt really stands out because the rest of the outfit has darker colors. So I think, again, the outfit was very well put together and flows very nicely. I'm gonna have to give this outfit another 8 out of 10. Alright, so now we're on Instagram, and quick shameless plug, you already know, most underestimated Instagram. Check it out, Ben_tan10. And I'm actually gonna go to Travis Scott's Instagram, and I'm gonna take a look at some of his outfits. This is a perfect one. So this was posted a couple weeks ago. This is a good outfit because I think it's a little bit different from what people are used to. So for this outfit, he's wearing just a t-shirt with some text on it, layered underneath a flannel, and he's wearing some nice shorts. He's of course wearing multiple chains, which I'm gonna have to give him a couple extra style points on. I really like the look of them in this outfit. Looking at the shoes, I'm honestly not sure which shoes those are, but I really like the look of them. I like the silhouette, and I also like the colors of the sneaker. All in all, I really like how he matched the little hit of orange on the shoe to the little hits of orange on the flannel. However, I'm not really feeling the brownish beige shorts. I don't like the way they're cut. I think they're a little bit too long. The t-shirt looks good, but just because of the shorts, I'm gonna have to give the overall outfit a 7 out of 10. Okay, and now we're on to the last outfit of this style breakdown. So in this outfit, we have him wearing the nice long chain. He's wearing a nice white denim jacket with a purple t-shirt and some white track pants. Also, he finished off the outfit with, again, looks like the Jordan 4 Travis Scott's. I think overall this outfit's super clean. It just has 2 colors, kept it really simple. I like the oversized look of the denim jacket. It's a little bit extended length, which I like. I like the way he paired the purple t-shirt with the shoes. And although this outfit is very simplistic and has only 2 colors, I'm gonna have to give this outfit a 7.5 out of 10. All right, there you have it, guys. That's my style breakdown for Travis Scott. I took 5 outfits and I broke it down, gave you guys a gist of what he wears. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and comment down below. Give me any feedback, any suggestions for in the future, and if you guys do enjoy the content, please feel free to subscribe as well. But that's it for now. Thank you. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking.